not just faith or belief. So Buddha himself, according Sanskrit tradition, Buddha himself, you see, told his follower, "O my follower, monks, scholars should not accept my teaching out of faith, out of devotion, but rather thorough investigation and experiment." So many Nalanda masters, they rejected Buddha's own teaching. If you accept this teaching, it goes against the reason. So like Nagarjuna, Chandakirti, they clearly mention in certain Buddhist teaching, certain text. We cannot accept this. I think so this shows, you see, we very much emphasis on reason, the reality. So these come from sort of religious sort of literature, but we should consider these are academic subjects. So it should be part of academic, part of the secular education. I think in this country, I think easily can do. So I hope the teachers, scholars, I think should carry more research work, how to introduce in existing modern education field, you see, education about our inner values, mind questions, mind or emotions like that. Then I think this university, I think quite appropriate, the very name, Ambedkar, Dr. Ambedkar. You see, he is, I think, showing special interest about the Buddha Dharma. I think he, so you see, his follower, I think, thousands of sort of, low caste, is showing interest about the Buddha Dharma. One bhikshu, I know, follower of Ambedkar, Kasa, koi ming disi samne? Ha? Mara muge? Nagulu yod. Kasa, Nagulu yod, Kasa. One bhikshu. Oh, I think Ananda Kosha, I think. Yeah, now no longer. So like that, you see, there are, among his followers, I think there are good bhikshus. But it seems to me not adequate knowledge about the Buddha Dharma. So these, of course, consider themselves as a Buddhist. So knowledge about Buddha Dharma is very important. I often telling, you see, Buddham Shanam Gajami, Dhammam Shanam Gajami, Sangham Shanam Gajami, not sufficient. I often you see telling Chinese Buddhist, Tibetan Buddhist, any Buddhist in Himalayan range, I telling those Buddhists should be 21st century Buddhist. That means Buddhist faith out of there's an understanding about whole Buddha's teaching or system of Buddha Dharma. As I mentioned earlier, Buddha Dharma, particularly Nalanda tradition, based on reason, not faith. So therefore, those Buddhists, of course, follow on Kasa, Dr. Ambedkar, I often used to tell them, you see, please pay more attention for study. Then, general public, I think knowledge about mind, about emotion, irrespective of whether believer or non-believer, I think in ancient sort of Indian literature, Buddhist, non-Buddhist, say, in all ancient these tradition, different philosophical thought, philosophical school of thought. You see, a lot of information about emotion, about mind. Now these consider as a secular academic subject and should include. So I'm looking forward. Next meeting, some examination about, you see, psychology, not just modern psychology. I often is telling modern psychology, compare ancient Indian psychology, then modern psychology looks like a kindergarten level. A lot of information in ancient Indian psychology about mind, I think really very, very rich. So I think the Dr. Ambedkar's university, I think eventually, hopefully, should include one class study these things. Then I often used to telling to my Indian friend, India, I think out of about 200 nations on this planet, I think only India have the ability to combine modern technology, modern education with ancient Indian sort of knowledge about inner world. Combine these two things. Then I think this country, Bharat, a great nation, most populated democratic country, I think can make significant contribution for well-being of 7 billion human beings. So, please think, if you have no interest, then forget it, forget, no problem. If you have some interest, think more, and particularly teachers, say, think more, and and how to teach. Firstly, we need the curriculum, a text about these things. Actually, I think tomorrow I'm going to meet Tata universities. Now, they also is working that. And some American institution also, you see, some university also, you see, doing some research. And then in America, see, few cities, you see, their name, that very name of city, one city, they call city of kindness. And another one, city of compassion. Their own initiative, out of their own initiative. So with that name, within the city, you see, they carry some more sort of activities regarding compassion or kindness. As a result, within the city, students are much more peaceful and much sort of willingness to serve others. So therefore, I think education, I think this very name makes differences. So then more study about emotion is, I think, something very useful. So that I want to tell you. And then those graduate student, see, you achieve one level. This knowledge, with this knowledge, now you have to carry your life in different field. So it is quite natural. There are always obstacles, difficulties. So when we face some difficulties, you see, we often, you see, people demoralize. That is absolutely wrong. No matter how sort of difficulties, we have potential. And also, you see, if we carry our life more truthful, honest way, then your life becomes transparent. With transparency, you find more friends, more supporters. Without these human good quality, very good education, very brilliant mind, but say too much self-centered attitude, then hypocrisy,